Okay, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle. And what I have here is, I think I have a 70 or 71 Kawasaki F8 chassis with a title. I found this in a barn. We have a title for it. We sold the engine out of it, and we have the rest of it available. We're going to put this on our webpage. It needs a little work, although it does have the exhaust tip on it still here. We're missing the rear fender. Seat is kind of gooned. But if you come over to this side, the seat doesn't appear to be too bad. The pan, I'd have to take it apart to look at it, but it seems pretty solid. It has the air box here. This stuff here seems to be okay. The looks like the tool case is still here. Oil tank looks okay. Gas tank's got a couple dings in the cap. Inside of the tank doesn't look too bad. It needs to clean out, but it's not that bad. Looks like the bars and stuff look decent. Looks like it's got a good clutch lever assembly on it. Never really seen that too much. Looks like we got a broken spoke in the rear. Spokes need replaced if you're going to make it a nice wheel. Tires are dry rotted. But the frame, everything appears to be decent. Looks like the wiring harness is pretty much intact. You got the cables here. Choke cables here. Oil pump cable, throttle cable. It looks good. I mean, it's used, but I'm sure there's some good used parts on here. Front tires dry rotted. Fork tubes are pitted. Headlight is repairable. And we do have a title for it. So we're going to be looking to sell this. It's going to be on our webpage. So we get around to the flat track races and stuff in the summer. So possibly low cost shipping available if you need it. Okay, thanks for looking at our stuff.